What is going on, lads? It's your boy BJN Trades. It's a new video, on trade recaps, what we did today, what I took today. Obviously it's a bank holiday, but we still have to trade. We have to make money. You know what I'm saying? So we just got straight into it. So right before the market opened today, I was just bullish for the day. I was looking for buys. Obviously we had this big dump, so I was just waiting for a little bit of pullback. Obviously we're not gonna have a big dump and then probably just keep going down. So yeah, right before market open, I was bullish, extremely bullish. I was looking for buys today, and I said to myself, I would just chill and see what the market just present. From there, I would just anticipate. So let's just get straight into it, man. So like I said, I was bullish. So we open right here. You can see this candle. Pretty much, we had like a thing about 100 points on that candle right there. So we literally just went up. So we gapped up. So that shows you, okay, the buyers, they want to take the price to the upside. Like that dump was just crazy, man. And right here, my target was just the news, the body of the news candle, which was on Friday. It happened on Friday. So I marked out the body and I marked out the low as well, and I marked out the 50% of the candle. So those range was my target. So right from there, market, obviously we had Asia, we consolidate, London open as well. We pretty much we went up and then we came all the way down. So I was waiting for New York open. Right before New York open, I marked out my Asia low right here. I marked out my London highs right here as well. So I was waiting for a sweep. Obviously I was bullish, so I'll fancy Asia low get swept, and then from there I'll look for buys. So like I said, we get the sweep of Asia before market open. So right at this low, I was also looking at this low. Obviously I still want to see a sweep before price go back to the upside. Right from there, we open, we had a manipulation, 9:30 open, we manipulated to the downside, took out that same low that took out Asia. So right here, this is a gap. I consider this as a gap, but I still want to see price stay at the upper half of this candle right here. So we add the sweep of the of the low that swept Asia right here. So get the sweep, scaled onto the 1 minute time frame, just looking for an entry, maybe CISD, inverse and the fin. Right after the sweep, we consolidate. So so pretty much I was just waiting for this gap to get inverse, which is right here. So waiting for this gap to get inverse, and I'll tell you, the volatility was crazy. There's so much volatility in the market today. So you could take advantage of it, but if you took the wrong thing, you therefore cooked. Like, it's just gonna go against you. Your account was gonna be gone. You start tilting, just crazy stuff. So right after we get the sweep right here, you can see the low. We sweep this low, and obviously I was looking for a reaction. So we consolidate, and then we get the straight candle. You just shoot up. So I was waiting for a close. I still wasn't sure if I should get in or not. This looked like that's a fake out to me. We didn't get that close properly, but I had to wait. So we get the close right on this candle as well. So I was waiting. Obviously I wasn't gonna take it right here because went up for like 30 points already. If I took it there, it went up for like 30 points. So I have to wait. So wait for the retest. Got the retest right here. I was risking 20 points on that trade right here. Obviously get the retest, got it right there, went up a little bit of drawdown, and then just shoot up. I got 50 points on the trade, and then that was it today, man. Simple, like sweep right here. Good reaction, good momentum. Wait for a retest on the IFVG, and that's it, man. Just try to keep it simple. Good trade. Look, get 1 to 2, and just done for the day. This trade was probably one of my best trades because I haven't had this type of trade in a long time. Whereas you just get in and just went straight to TP. Because today volatility was crazy, man. Market was printing 20 points in one candle, 50 points. So you take advantage of it, but if it goes against you, you're cooked. Yeah, like I said, bias was bullish today. Get the sweep right here. Good momentum right here. inverse, retest. From there we just pretty much, we get the right entry. My second trade, which I would take, but I didn't want to risk my profit, but it went up for like 50 points or so it would have been the sweep of this high right here, sweep of this high, which is buy side right here, and then we just consolidate it for a bit. You can see right here, after the sweep, the last gap that was made was right here. So this candle, this gap right here was the last gap that was made before price went up. And from that gap, you can see we pretty much will retest that gap once. Mark it out properly so you can see. So you can see we retest that gap once, twice, and the third time, we just keep rejecting. And then from there, we get a decent close below that gap, and a decent close below this low as well. That gives you a confirmation for a bearish order flow. Because if we were to respect this gap, we're definitely gonna keep going up. But since we invest this gap, that tells you something. And again, you can see that swing low right there. We closed pretty strong below that swing low. That tells you everything. Okay, we're going bearish order flow. So this would have been my second trade, but I didn't want to risk profit. It's just way better to stay away, because I'll tell you, I would have been risking way too much on this trade. I probably would have been risking all my profit. So I was like, nah man, I wouldn't take this. But this trade was a banger trade, so it would have been a 2 for 2 today. But nevertheless, one trade a day. Base eat, we just get up the chart, man. You don't have to be greedy and stuff. Made 1K today. Show you at the end of the fucking video, I'll show you my my P&L if you want to see. And then that's it, man. Good trade. And once again, I say this, I appreciate you lot for watching my videos, educational videos. We do good stuff in it. Like, if you want to join the Telegram group, it's definitely for free. You can join up. I'm not charging anything right now. Obviously in the future I'm gonna start charging you lot, but for now it's just free. Join up, call out trades. For the stream, been lacking a little bit, but I'm gonna get on it. But yeah, man, appreciate you lot for watching my videos, and see you guys later. Yeah.